Sumatran orangutan or Pongo abilai can be found in tropical rainforests in Sumatra, Indonesia. They can survive with fruits, leaves, insects, and small vertebrates, and can live up to 60 years. The orangutan possesses the gestation period of 9 months.
For Bornean orangutan or Pongo pygmaeus can be found in East Malaysia. They can survive with fruits, leaves, insects, and small vertebrates, and can live up to 60 years. The orangutan possesses the gestation period of 9 months, and they do live in tropical rainforests.
The Malay word orangutan means person of the forest. These long-haired orangish primates found only in Sumatra and Borneo are highly intelligent and are close relatives of humans. There are several interesting facts about orangutans. Orangutans spend most of their time in trees. Every evening, they will build nests of branches and leaves in the trees. When they have to walk, they curve their fingers in and use the palms of their hands for balance and movement instead of using their knuckles like gorillas do. Orangutans unfortunately do not know how to swim, but they like to play in the water. Their infants have the longest childhood of any animal in the world, ranging 6 to 7 years, and the most interesting fact is they share almost 97% of human DNA.
No time for stalling. The wild is calling.
Orangutans are currently only found in the rainforest of Borneo and Sumatra. Classified indigenous Pongo, orangutans were originally considered to be one species. From 1996, they were divided into two species, which were Bornean and Sumatran orangutan. In November 2017, it was reported that a third species had been identified, which was the Tapanuli orangutan.
Orangutan have an enormous arm span. A male may stretch his arms some 7 feet from fingertip to fingertip, a reach considerably longer than his standing height of about 5 feet. When orangutans do stand, their hands nearly touch the ground. Orangutans' arms are well suited to their lifestyle because they spend much of their time, some 90%, in the trees of their tropical rainforest home. They even sleep aloft in nests of leafy branches. They use large leaves as umbrellas and shelter to protect themselves from the common rains. These cerebral primates forage for food during daylight hours. Most of their diet consists of fruit and leaf gathered from rainforest trees. They also eat bark, insects, and on rare occasion, meat.
For solitary behavior, orangutans are more solitary than the other apes. Males are loners. As they move through the forest, they make plenty of rumbling and howling calls to ensure that they stay out of each other's way. The long call can be heard 1.2 miles away. For reproduction, female orangutans give birth only once every 8 years. They share strong bonds with their children, whom they care for 6 or 7 years. Orangutans are long-lived animals and can live up to 60 years in captivity. One of the reasons the orangutans are endangered is because of habitat loss due to deforestation. The habitats of Asia's only great apes are fast disappearing under the chainsaw to make way for oil palm plantations and other agricultural plantations. Illegal logging in protected areas and unsustainable logging in concession where orangutan live remains a major threat to their survival. Today, more than 50% of orangutans are found outside protected areas in forests under the management by timber, palm oil, and mining companies. Hunting and illegal wildlife trade also bring endangerment to orangutans. Orangutans are an easy target for hunters because they are large and slow. They are killed for food or in retaliation when they move into agricultural areas and destroy crops. This usually occurs when orangutans can't find the food they need in the forest. Females are hunted most often. When caught with offspring, the young are often kept as pets. The pet trade is a major problem. It is thought that for each orangutan reaching Taiwan, as many as 3 to 5 additional animals die in the process. Recent enforcement of the law in Taiwan has reduced the importation of orangutans, but the trade remains a threat in Indonesia, where there is still demand for orangutans as pets. There is also a trade of orangutan skulls in Kalimantan, which is Indonesian Borneo. WWF, or Worldwide Fund for Nature, is an international non-governmental organization working in the field of wilderness preservation and the reduction of human impact on the environment. WWF had been working on orangutan conservation since the 1970s. Their efforts include conserving orangutan habitat, anti-poaching, promoting sustainable forestry and agriculture, and halting the pet trade. Some of their works include stopping illegal wildlife trade and protecting orangutans. WWF works with Traffic, the wildlife trade monitoring network, to help government enforce restriction on the trade in live animals and orangutan products. They also help to rescue and recover trafficked orangutans, which are eventually released back into the wild. WWF works in both Borneo and Sumatra to secure well-managed protected areas and wider forest landscape to connect subpopulation of orangutans. Their work on sustainable production of commodities contributes to the conservation of major orangutan habitats in Borneo and Sumatra. They also monitor orangutan populations, work on ecotourism, and provide community-based support for orangutan conservation.